Would you very much like to figure out how to make cash online? Today in this video, I will show you precisely how. Stage 1 is to play video by clicking. Stage 2 is watch at least 10 seconds. Stage 3 pull out your income, and in case you are considering how much you can acquire from it, so let me tell you this. If you watch the recordings for 1 hour, you can undoubtedly procure 40. If you watch for 2 hours, you can procure 80. Furthermore, on the off chance that you watch for 3 hours, you can acquire $120. You can get compensated $60 each hour effectively by observing recordings, and you can do this as many times as you like. And the best part is that it is totally free, which implies you will not require any cash to get everything rolling. Furthermore, yes, it's accessible overall. I will show you all out of 2 destinations that will permit you to bring in cash while observing YouTube recordings. To achieve this, you simply need a moon, or then again on the off chance that you have PC, you can utilize that too. So in this video I will let you know how to join and make cash. Just as tips to achieve it, I will likewise let you know how you will make the most measure of cash from this site. What's more, I might want you to give this video a like, and if you haven't as of now, make certain to buy in, as these recordings require a great deal of exertion. So we should start our video of get compensated 60 every hour by watching recordings. I need you to go to this site, which is without altogether and requires no forthright responsibility. First and premier, by looking a brief intriguing recordings on this site, you can acquire cash as seen above. Associate snap and acquire. Discover how simple is to advance and bring in cash excessively far. Around 4 million enlistment clients on these sites have effectively been made impressive cash. The best thing regarding this site is that it incorporate a portable application, through which you might acquire Google Play Store or Apple Application Store. And I was most astonished that they paid their part, practically $9.4 million. Remembering me and you to begin for this site is incredibly direct, so it will seem like your dashboard when you register for a free record. Now I'm going to show you the 3 classes you should zero in on to create the most cash. It's not the best installment choice, yet one game is playing pleasantly here. The principal strategy is to mess around. You will be brought straightforwardly to this page after you click on games. On the off chance that you look down, you can see that they give out Babs focuses. Then these guides are changed over to your PayPal or financial balance for real cash. As you can see above, they give various installment options. To restart the interaction. So you might do this in your spare energy while you eat or enjoy some time off from work, or then again make additional pay to make extra pay. How about we happen to the following choice: paid advertisements, where you might be paid to as it were scarcely any short recordings on our site. We should continue ahead with it and snap here on paid promotions. You can then see the certified promotions, and we paid for 15 bits per second, which you can exchange for genuine cash. So all you need to do is to click here to see this initiation promotion. This will lead you to one more page to watch a short video after the ad time frame terminates. Now we will get others to log in and see recordings for us, so we may completely acquire naturally. While we rest or do anything, we pick numerous people on the web play out these exercises also. You will get a piece of their pay. Click on your login and select Elude Companion in the right hand corner, and you will actually want to see your novel connect to this page. You will initially get 5% of your pay for any individual who click on this connection, register a free record, and begin seeing recordings and bring in cash. So how about we move to the following site, and its name is Swingbugs, and it is again an exceptionally well-known site these days. So this will pay you cash at regular intervals, as you can see it here. In the event that you look down beneath, you can see that there are various choices to procure, so you can likewise finish offers and procure cash. Alright. So first thing you really wanted to do is join to this site by clicking the enrollment button here. In this structure you wanted to place in your information like complete name, email, secret phrase, and affirm it your installment technique that you will get cash by, and address the manual human test. Once you sign in, you can see your dashboard and numerous choices for bringing in cash here. Enormous organizations come, what's more, supply you with huge loads of advertisements, so you can watch limitless measure of advertisements you need in a day. And the one reward tip I need to give you is assuming you need to make the most measure of cash center around miniature promotions. as they will permit you to bring in cash essentially by watching a 10-second promotion. Another tip I need to give you is that you can cut back the volume and open the promotions in various tabs, and that is the ticket you can get the more cash flow in a short measure of time. Another tip is for you folks is that on the off chance that you click on these cases, you will get an opportunity to win $5 in case you are sufficiently fortunate. So basically select the case and you will divert it to another page. Simply remain on it for 10 seconds and you will get an opportunity to win $5. Individuals from one side of the planet to the other are utilizing this technique to bring in real cash by observing recordings, and you can as well. However, imagine a scenario